This is at 1.8 and what a way to start. This is literally just some autofocus tests, very random, the sort of stuff that I want to see when I'm looking to buy an adapter. And I had a few minutes after the gym, I thought I'll throw it up and do it and stick it into Final Cut and YouTube and job done. Easy job. Even though this is really just for me, I would like to hear from you too. Now I'm using a monitor to track myself and I think the focus is good. I hope so, or this will be a wasted take. I'm going to show you some stills indoors, stills outdoors. Basically I want to see if it's worth me taking this to an actual shoot with an actual live proper person model thing. You know, I don't want to take out a setup and then it's just a waste of time, because every time you shoot something or somebody, it should be important. Yes, and that's why we mess about with this gear. So this is in AFC. It's not amazing. I'll have a quick look at the monitor. I think it's all right. If I go back a bit, as far as I can tell, it's tracking me, but you'll know, as will I, once we've looked at it afterwards. And yeah, let's crack on with the tests. I can actually see the lens getting into focus. Seems to be alright, to be fair. I thought this was not one of my favourites, but it could well be a doable option. Not as cool as the 10-18, but not too bad. As if these autofocus test videos aren't annoying enough with the flick, 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 flick. But that's what you want to see.